Anyway, this has been like a journey to get this top. I already ordered this. I ordered a small and it was too big, which is weird because I tried it in store and it was fine. Different color, but you haven't seen it, have you? Is this?
Oh my god.
You know, I like colors.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, like, if you like how it looks, you should wear it today.
Yeah, because like only a few days left. Yay! Kind of small looking. Okay, I got this because I've been wanting a sweater, but I'm gonna try it on and see.
I like the quarter zip version than the
Regular sweater?
regular sweater.
One little caveat is that this area that me and Clara think sometimes looks like chest hair. Dude, it's so weird that you're in this room. I've never seen you in this room.
Is that the aritzia one?
Yeah, I just bought this. I don't know.
But I like this sweater better than that for sure. The thing is, like, what I noticed about this cable net is, like, you know, there's, like, in the middle, there's, like, the small little braids. Just kind of looks like chest hair. Dude, why are you comparing all these cable knits to hair? What do you mean? Because then you say the other one looks like a beard? Yeah, that's kind of ish the vibe. Because this looks less beardy, though.
Lunch at this dim sum place, and it was like really cool because they go around with the carts. So look, this is hot. Okay. There's person behind me. There's too many people. I can't do this anymore. Sitting on the dock of the day, wearing that is so cute. That is pretty cute. So cute. Oh god, this is literally the cutest book ever. Maybe you should get it. No. This cute stationery store. This is so cute. Dude, I really like notebooks. Look at these. Your dog. Yes. I do want a book. What would I use this for?
I was gonna ask you that. What would you use it for?
I don't know.
Video audience?
Oh, that is so cute. It's bookmarks.
Oh, it's really visible.
That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. They're like clips. Or like your chip bag. Oh my gosh. I was wondering what it was. I thought it was a bookmark.
Oh my god, no, it's like a chip bag. It's bag clips. That's so cute.
We're gonna go to JP Licks. Is this only in Boston? Yeah. JP Licks? Yeah. Apparently Clara said there's a good frozen yogurt flavor here.
I hope I got the right one.
I hope so too.
I'm like...
I can't pet her, so you're best job.
Do you want to hear them? Oh my god, thank you! Oh, good girl! So sweet! She's yeah. Oh yeah! Oh, you're so
I think you have to mix it more.
We came to this cafe and we all got drinks and now we're just gonna read. It's so wholesome of us.
I know.
Like, do you wanna show what you're reading? So, introduction. This is Harry. My glasses off. Dude, I think you're cute. No, it's cute.
Where are the glasses?
Wear it.
Hi, I'm Harry, and I'm reading Getting Lost by Annie Ernaux. I'm drinking a maple matcha.
Nice.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Augie.
Louder.
Hello vlog, my name is Augie. I'm reading The Invisible Man. Right here I have a strawberry dragon fruit juice.
Claire's camera shy.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Claire. And I'm reading Buggy. And the drink that I got today was a matcha strawberry latte.
Oh, he looks cute with the plants. Dude, don't yell. I can't miss it. I'm drinking cinnamon maple latte. Yay!